Hi, Stu with Sharp Electronics here again. Now I want to talk to you about another function of this machine called the inline sensor. The inline sensor gives you the ability to do a couple of things. First and foremost, you could do your daily color calibrations on this device inline. So easy enough to do that your operators will actually come in and do it. It's not going to have to spend their time sitting there scanning with a little spectrophotometer. Once it's all set up, you can just feed it right through and the machine will do the calibrations for you. Another thing that it does is read your front to back registration. With a single button pressed on the machine interface, the machine will calibrate the image front to back so it always lines up. You can also do other various maintenance pieces on there, like image density. All of this happens inline on the device. All of these functions are very simple to do. You can train any operator to be able to do these things.